channel AV Karma. My name is Anjali and I am back with a challenge video, and kind of a challenge video, because in this I will be doing my makeup according to my zodiac sign. And to let you know, my zodiac sign is Cancer, so I will be doing my makeup according to my zodiac sign. So before starting, I'm dressing like my zodiac sign. Let me show you. I will insert a picture for you if you cannot see here. So I will insert a picture here, and the top is not exactly the same but kind of same. So I am wearing this top according to my zodiac sign, and this is my jeans that I am wearing. So this is the jeans which I am wearing, and yes, so I am dressed up in my zodiac sign. So I have one more dress option that I can opt. So this is the another option. You will see the image here, and I have a dress kind of similar. So I think I will go with that once I do my makeup, and I think the makeup will look good with this. So yeah, so that's what I am going to do in this video. So I think without any further ado, I should just get started. Okay, so first thing first, what I am going to do is I am going to make my hair. Yeah, so you will see the image here. So that is what I am going to do on my hair. Yeah, I will make this ponytail, try to make the exact same. I don't know how that will go, but at least I have to try. So let's begin with the first thing. It will be better if this turned out to be good, because that is hurting my neck a lot. Okay, so this is how it looks. I can't see it. So okay, so that was my hairstyle. Hope I did a great job. Moving on to makeup. So first thing in makeup that we are going to eyes, and also in eyes, I don't know this is my sign or what. I have seen so many options for eye makeup. Red smoky eye is there, that Cancer has, that represent Cancer sign or Cancer zodiac sign. So I will try this and let's see how that turned out. Okay, so there was no mention of foundation whatsoever. So I used this foundation, Fit Me foundation in shade 310 Sun Base. So yeah, I did use that, and I did everything that was not mentioned. So now moving on to the thing that we have to do. Okay, so now I will be doing my eye, and for that I am going to use this palette and this shade right here. I am going to use that, but before that, let me see what I have to do exactly. I will pop up the image. Let's get started. Okay, so first let me tell you, you have to always start from the corner, because it has most of the product in the starting. So that I just really hope this turn out to be good. Oh my god, I don't know how this is going to turn out. Hope this turn out to be good. Otherwise that will be very bad. I think red is completed. I guess so. This is the only red I have in this palette, so I have to use this only. And let me do one more thing. I have one more palette, and I think I can use this color, but this will be a little shimmery. But yeah, who cares? is up with you? I'm now going to use proper black for this. Oh my god, that is black. Okay, so I'm just going to use the leftover on this side. I'm just messing this up. Is this okay? Is this looking like one in the picture? Whew. I think it's okay. I guess so. Okay, so I am going to leave this here and move on to further doing something with my eye. So what else is left is I have to do lower lash line, lower waterline. I mean, पता नहीं मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ जब से ये गड़बड़ हुई है. Okay, so I am now going to do something with lower lash line and what? And that's it for now. That is why I stay away from dark makeup. Yeah, so this is so far. Okay, so this is how this looks. Okay, so this is my eyes up close. So tell me how I did. Okay, so next thing in our list is some lipstick. In this I have some bold red lipstick and that I am going to do, and also another has this pinkish shade kind of a thing that I have these two for that. So because my eyes have some red, so I am going with red. Yeah, that's done. So yeah, that is everything that I can do with my face. Let me show you the whole thing with this outfit. This is my ponytail and this is my outfit. And yeah, let me show you the other second outfit and hope that also goes well with this. And also you can like comment down below and tell me which one was the best, like which suited this makeup best. Okay guys, so this is the second outfit that I chose and I think this also looks good with this. So this is the outfit and this is it. Okay, so this was the video. Hope you have enjoyed zodiac sign makeup challenge and I kind of enjoyed it. So yeah, make sure to like this video if you liked. And this challenge was given by my best friend Priyanka and she gave me the idea of trying this out. And thank you so much, Priyanka. And yeah, so make sure to like this video, comment down below and tell me which outfit was the best according to the makeup and everything. And I kind of like both, but you can tell me which one was the best. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.